Welcome to this video where we'll explore one of the most exciting topics in serverless computing using Pyppeteer in AWS Lambda. If you're interested in building scalable and efficient web scraping applications without worrying about managing infrastructure, then this video is for you. In recent years, serverless computing has revolutionized the way we build and deploy applications. With the rise of cloud providers like AWS, developers can now focus on writing code rather than managing servers. However, some tasks still require a bit more complexity, such as web scraping. That's where Pyppeteer comes in, an amazing tool that allows you to run headless Chrome instances in your serverless function. In this video, we'll cover the ins and outs of using Pyppeteer and AWS Lambda, including the benefits and challenges of this approach. We'll take a deep dive into how Pyppeteer works, how to set it up with AWS Lambda, and what you need to know to get started. So let's start with the basics. What is Pyppeteer? Simply put, Pyppeteer is a Python port of Pyppeteer, which is a Node.js library developed by the Chrome team that provides a high-level API for controlling headless Chrome instances. With Pyppeteer, you can programmatically interact with web pages, simulate user interactions, and even generate screenshots, all from within your serverless functions. Now, let's talk about AWS Lambda. As you may know, Lambda is a serverless compute service offered by AWS that allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. With Lambda, you can build event-driven applications that scale automatically, which makes it an ideal platform for web scraping tasks. When we combine Pyppeteer with AWS Lambda, we get the best of both worlds. We can write serverless functions that use Pyppeteer to interact with web pages, extract data, and even render screenshots, all without worrying about managing infrastructure. But how does this work in practice well when you create a Lambda function using Pyppeteer? You'll need to include the Pyppeteer library as a dependency. Then, within your function code, you can use Pyppeteer's API to launch a headless Chrome instance and navigate to the web page you're interested in scraping. One of the key benefits of using Pyppeteer with AWS Lambda is that it allows you to build scalable and efficient web scraping applications. Because Pyppeteer runs headless Chrome instances, your functions can extract data from web pages without having to render the entire page, which means faster execution times and lower costs. However, there are also some challenges to consider when using Pyppeteer with AWS Lambda. For example, because Lambda functions have limited memory and execution time limits, you'll need to ensure that your Pyppeteer instances don't consume too many resources or take too long to execute. So what should you remember from this video? Here are the alternatives. Pyppeteer is a powerful tool for controlling headless Chrome instances in Python. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. By combining Pyppeteer with AWS Lambda, you can build scalable and efficient web scraping applications. However, be mindful of the limitations of Lambda functions, such as memory and execution time limits. That's all for this video. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to use Pyppeteer in AWS Lambda to build powerful web scraping applications. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Pyppeteer and Lambda, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on serverless computing and web development. If you're ready to get started with Pyppeteer and AWS Lambda, we encourage you to check out the links in our description box, which include tutorials, documentation, and example code to help you along the way. Thanks for watching.